Because I find broadcasting media very interesting, and it is extremely relevant to our society. And also, I take pride in my job as a broadcast practitioner because I know that I affect a lot of people through my work. If people say that the pen is mightier than the sword, well, I say to them, it's not just the pen. I think that the microphone, the camera, and everything that we use in broadcasting is mightier than the sword. What makes broadcasting exciting? Well, let me tell you a few reasons why. One, we produce news. We don't just do the research, we also do the delivery. Number two, we have radio production, TV production, we write scripts, and we make them move. Our mind is our playground, and our creativity is our best friend. In broadcasting, sometimes it doesn't feel like we're working. It almost feels like we're always having fun.
Of all the fields in media, I chose Com Arts because I believe I have the skills to communicate and to understand and to share information. Why journalism? It's a very powerful field. You can change opinions, shape opinions, develop, change the times that you're living in. Journalism is exciting because you work not just with people but with information. And with information comes knowledge, and with knowledge comes power. So you see, you're in the center of things. And journalism has permanency because it will always stay there. It will be on record forever.
Nung tinanong ko yung sarili ko, saan ako masaya? Sabi ko, sa media. Bakit film? Kasi doon ako masaya. Bakit ka mamimili ng isang bagay, major aspect ng buhay mo, pagtatrabaho mo, all the years of your lives, if you're not happy? You tell story. These are fictional stories, and then you relate it to real life. There's something magical about this medium that actually drives you to the theaters. Imagine mo, hindi siya totoo. It's a four-sided thing. It's a box like this, and then you watch something, you cry, you laugh, you get mad, you shout, you fear something, napapatili ka sa takot. Alam mong fake, but that's how magical it is. That's why it really struck me, and it's really a fulfillment if you're a director and then you actually see people from behind you. It fulfills you as an artist na meron sila minsan nakikita na hindi mo nakita as a storyteller, and then you learn more about your story because of yung mga pananaw nilang iba. Yun yung dahilan kung bakit hanggang ngayon, simula nung college ako ngayon,